Hi, so welcome to the update today for Nifty. And what we're seeing in Nifty right now is that the market is extremely overbought or overstretched on the upside. So, if you look at some of the key indicators that we have for our oscillators, we will notice that if you see the RSI out here, the RSI is extremely overbought. So, you see this level of 70, this is typically the level that we use for identifying the overbought levels. And what we're noticing out here is that at this level, the markets tend to sort of consolidate or correct. So if you go back in the history, we see the market here, it corrects. We see out here, we see a small correction there. We see in the past again at this level. So if I were to just use, let's say, a crosshair, you see out here, and you see the market then starts a small correction. Same thing before, and you can see that the market, whenever it reaches that level, sort of tends to correct. Now, at this point, what you notice is that the market is not that far away from the moving averages. But if you see here, the RSI is extremely overbought, and the market is extremely far away from the moving average as well. And this is a 100 period moving average, and we're talking about daily time frame. So when we have this kind of a price action, we are going to get some correction at some point in time. Hence, it becomes very important to look at the market closely for the price action. Now, what we notice is we get a couple of bearish candles, but the market has continued to go higher despite all of these bearish candles that we get here. Today, again, if you notice, we have got a bearish candle. So if you see this candle out here, the open is higher, the close is lower, and we have a lower shadow. So the market is testing the lower levels, and this is coming on the back of what you can say extremely overbought momentum. So this is very likely that we could some sort of a correction or consolidation is nearby. Now this is on the 60-minute time frame, so you can say the time frame is now 1 hour. And what you notice out here is that we got a small consolidation and a breakout, but at this point, from a 1 hour time frame also, we see that we have a decent uh, what you can say a sort of a fall here. So this entire move from this level to this level is actually sort of a motive wave. When I say a motive wave, it means a wave which is in the direction of the main trend, and that we can find out because of the speed at which the markets have fallen. So if you see here, the rise is slower, but the fall is much faster. So the fall has been much more aggressive. At the current juncture, it looks like that this level at 14,658 is unlikely to be taken out immediately, and we could probably get lower levels. And it looks like we are probably forming a sort of a topping pattern on the 1 hour. The next support is at 14,258. The first will be obviously a gap support at 368. Then we go to 250, 258, and then I would think that one would look at slightly lower levels here and almost a level of 13,783. So these are the three levels that you would look at. And looking at the market, the way the market is positioned, I have a feeling that the market is looking at making a small sort of a top here. I'm not saying that it's a complete trend reversal, but definitely looks like we're getting into some sort of a top.